Okay. First thing is we learned what is a presentation software, what kind of presentation software programs are there, so which you can use for free and some are paid. So especially Microsoft PowerPoint is a paid one. So may I know any free one? Can you remember any free software that we have learned?
Coral presentations. Google Slides.
Google Slides, yes. Anything else?
Coral presentations.
Oral presentation, but is it free? Free and open source. I'm just asking which is like, so you can see, so here, so when you go, I said one site, I think you can remember that. So when you go to internet, so there's a website called alternative2.net. So this is the website. Let me send the link. And there, what you can do is you can just type, okay, here actually we are learning Microsoft PowerPoint, no? Microsoft PowerPoint. So when you search Microsoft PowerPoint in this alternative2.site, right?
Sir, OpenOffice Impress.
Yes, then you can find what are the free alternatives that you have here. So one is LibreOffice Impress. One is LibreOffice Impress. That is correct. Right. Then the next one. So Prezi is like it's freemium, means it's like half away paid, half away free. It's not completely free. It's freemium. Freemium means there are some premium parts and there are some free parts also. So Prezi is online ones. Basically, it's supporting all these platforms. And then Google Slides, it's a free one, free proprietary. That means it's not open source, but they are not giving their code. Code එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ, හදපු විදිය දෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේගොල්ලෝ එහෙම නැහැ. මේගොල්ලෝ හදපු විදියක් දෙනවා, මේගොල්ලෝ නොමිලෙත් දෙනවා. හරිද? ප්‍රීමියම් කියලා කිව්වොත් software එක, ඒ ප්‍රීමියම් software එකේ කොටසක් free, නිකන් අපිට ටෙස්ට් කරන්න වගේ දෙනවා. හැබැයි හැම එකම free නෑ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What did you type after opening?
Which one?
This slide.
I just type here. Okay, I just type Microsoft PowerPoint.
Okay.
So then it will give you all the alternatives, right? So here actually you have 89 alternatives, right? Then actually, so because some softwares are paid, so this can be used for any software. Then pay karna software ekak hambunat puthe. So if you find any paid software, if you want to find alternative free software, the best way is go and search this site. But you can't download from the same site. After finding this, you can search it in Google and find the downloads link, right? So download link might not be listed here. Download link එක මෙතන නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක Google එකේ ගහලා search කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, this is free open source. Free open source කියන්නේ නොමිලේ දෙනවා විතරක් නෙවෙයි code එකක් දෙනවා. එතකොට මෙයාලා freemium. Part of the software is free, part of the software is paid. It is not completely free. And then Google Slides is a free proprietary. That means free. නොමිලේ දෙනවා. හැබැයි alternate කියන්නේ code එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ. Code එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ, free දෙනවා. So then you can say Reveal.js. Reveal.js is also free and open source. And Saucy, I have never used this one, but you can try. Saucy is another one that is free and open source. And Keynote, Storyboarder, Impress, Slides, DeckGo. What is that? I have never used this one, but you can just see. So you said Coral. Coral Presenter. Okay, let's load more alternatives. Then Microsoft Office Sway. Sway is another one that is free. And then you have Hoovercraft, Apache OpenOffice, Impress. Impress is a very good one. That's why I said please download Impress. Image, Lotus, so LaTeX, Adobe Spark Page, Video Stripe, Animation Studio. So likewise, there are a lot of, so Coral, that Corel presentations. Basically, it's a PowerPoint like an OpenOffice or Impress, and that is basically, let's go to the particular website and see. Sorry, Corel presentation. I think it's free. It's not open source. That is the thing. Let's say, ගිහිල්ලාම බලමුකෝ අපි. හැම software එකක්ම free වලට සමහරට ඔයගොල්ලෝ free ගන්නවා වෙන්න පුළුවන්. But here it's a trial, right? Trial කියලා කියන්නේ එක freemium. ඒ කියන්නේ half away free, half away paid. ඒතර free trial එකක් විතරයි දෙන්නේ. Completely free නෑ. Right? That's what I said. It is not completely free, right? Okay. So anyway, we learn about the presentation software. And so best if you have like Microsoft Office PowerPoint, it is really good. If you don't have the Microsoft Office PowerPoint, so better. So if you can shift to the Impress, either Apache OpenOffice Impress, or so there are some other alternatives too. You can just go to the Google and search OpenOffice Impress. එහෙම search කරලා ඔයාට එක download කරගන්න පුළුවන්. OpenOffice Impress, then you can download it. It's completely free. No need to pay even a cent, and you can use it for free. No trials like this. Rehansa. Is Microsoft PowerPoint? No. Microsoft PowerPoint is not a free software. It's a freemium one. Freemium one means half away free, half away paid. Microsoft.
So what are premium software? PowerPoint software. Premium PowerPoint software.
Microsoft PowerPoint is a freemium, right? So likewise, you said that that Corel one is freemium, right? Because you need to pay and buy this. You have to pay for some license. It's not completely free. But the thing is that you are using this here, try for free, but recommending for buy, right? You can try for free, maybe like 30 days trial. දවස් 30ක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒගොල්ලෝ.
Sir, I have heard that you could use Office for free when you are using for educational purpose for free.
Yes, for some educational purposes, they are providing this for free. But the thing is, your university or college must be registered with their academic alliance program. Right? There's something called Microsoft Academic Alliance. Microsoft Academic Alliance. For some universities and colleges, they are giving this for free. They are students. Right? So that is what Microsoft Academic Alliance. So various universities providing this for free using their academic alliance. Here you can see a lot of universities are giving this for free through their academic alliance programs. That is for academic purposes. Okay, earlier days, like for some memberships also it was given. There was a membership වලට දුන්න ඉස්සරහ අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් computer ACM කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා, Association for Computer Machinery. So they were giving Microsoft academic alliance, but not sure whether they are offering it now or they are giving it, right? For coders, they are giving it. But recently, I think that program, I don't know whether this is offered now. Earlier days, they were giving this for when you registered with ACM. For their ACM account, Microsoft was given for free. So they are even given Windows උත් දුන්නා. IEEE membership එකට දෙනවා. දැන් මට membership එක දෙනවා IEEE එකේ Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. If you have that particular membership, but for academic purposes only, right? IEEE, the world's largest technical professional organization for electrical and electronic engineers. I had that student membership. when I was doing my degree. At that time, I got this software, Microsoft Software Academic Alliance, for free. But for student time only. After that, after being professional, then I have to pay for usage. So that is the nature. Right, okay. So don't think much about that free and paid things. But anyway, some software programs are free, some are paid. So if you don't have premium software with you, don't worry, you can just go for the alternative. Alternative will look same like. Okay, today we are going to learn some special thing other than that. So let's focus on the topic. Then we learn about the similarities. We have not discussed much, but so there are similarities and differences when you compare with the general book, writing book. So the reading book has pages. Similar to that, presentation is having slides, and book can be turned similar to that. So you can move from slide to slide. You can transit between slide to slide, and you can insert words, pictures. Similar to that, you can insert words, pictures in slides. Video songs can be inserted in books. Is it? Can you include videos and songs? No.
Sir, but some books have songs.
That lyrics.
Like, you know, birthday cards.
Yes, yeah, that is like a special case. That is not booking. So you can embed some sound. So that is like very difficult, right? It's very difficult to add sounds to a book or video. Maybe in future you can think about interactive papers, right? Maybe in future. So you might see interactive papers where you can play videos in the paper. You can play videos in the book or song. That is future, right? I don't know, because this will change soon. Technology is evolving, like it's always evolving. Okay, then after book is printed, the change will be difficult, but here the presentation can be changed several times. And there are more things. More things means like you can hide slides in the presentation, and actually you can change the slide order. But after creating a book, it is very difficult to change the book order, page order, and also it's difficult to hide the pages after printing and after creating. But the presentation has that feature. Let's write down this, and today we are going to learn a special thing, a practical. So actually, so this is so we are going to select examples from grade 5 scholarship. I know you have already done that, but you can assist your brothers and sisters. Maybe, so you can apply that for your own examinations, your own subjects after learning. So I'll give the example using grade 5 scholarship, but you can still apply for your own subjects in grade 6 and 7 and 8 and all, right? Even for O levels, A levels, you can apply the same thing. Okay, so let's write down small note and begin, right? Okay, please write down differences and similarities.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I tell the differences of the book and the PowerPoint software?
Yes, sure.
Sir, we can do a slideshow in the PowerPoint software, sir, but we can't do a slideshow in the book.
Yes, we can't do a slideshow in a book. We can do a slideshow in PowerPoint software. That means you can present to an audience. Generally, neither we can present to an audience, but a large audience. But when it comes to a book, we have to give one by one. We have to give individual copies. We can't present to
In PowerPoint, we can hold some audio recordings and videos, but in books, we can't.
Yes, that was there in the book, right? Differences and similarities in books and slides, like presentations. So which is electronic presentations. So I'll write, so mainly contents are given, right? In the page number, what is the page number? 70, right? Comparison, please write, comparison is given in page number 70 of reading book. In addition to those, we can select and present presentations by customizing the slides. Slide order, maybe slides, slide selection. To do that, we can either hide the slides or delete the slides and save as new presentation. But it is very difficult to customize a book after preparation. We can also transfer slides instantly using internet and networks. Or using storages, but printed books cannot be transferred that easily. Or like printed books cannot be transferred easily. It is also possible to present slideshows to a large audience simultaneously by using single presentation desk, but books need to be distributed as copies. Okay, so if you have any difficult terms, please ask, right? So what is simultaneously? Simultaneously can ekavara. Simultaneously. If you have any difficult term, please ask, then I can help you understand that. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to read some questions in the chat. How much we want to pay for Microsoft PowerPoint depends on the license that you are going to buy, right? So maybe an individual license, paid license will cost you around $6 to $9 per month. But depends, time to time there are promotions, likewise things. Monthly payment.
Sir,
Yes.
there was that like for Microsoft 365, there was like 50% offer. We downloaded that, but it didn't work out so well.
Is it so? So what was
Yes,
the offer? How much was the licensing cost?
in Sri Lankan rupees, it was like 2,500. And when we downloaded
That is annually or monthly?
No, sir, once and for all. It will never expire.
Oh, that's great. Very good offer. Is it from Microsoft or some other dealer?
It is from Microsoft, but in Sri Lanka, they distributed from techhubbies.com, but when I downloaded that file and tried to run it, they say that Office is already being downloaded and it's only
maybe the thing is like, so you have already installed another copy of Office, so it's like
yes, sir.
maybe
That's
some
2019 original version, but we have to buy license for that.
Right, that's the issue. In that case, like if you have already there's a version running on your computer, then it won't be work. It's difficult to shift to the new version. But the easy way is like in such cases, what you could do, you can install that in a virtual machine. I think I taught virtual machine. Virtual machine.
Yes, sir. Oracle box.
Yeah, Oracle VirtualBox. So you could have actually installed another operating system inside that, maybe Windows another copy, and then you could have installed that 365 inside that. If so, like 365 is better, then you can uninstall the 2019 version and install 365.
And there was that system compatibility, and it was 32-bit anyway. For every computer, they give us 32-bit, but this is 64.
Then that is also. But 32-bit will run in 64-bit machines. But the thing is, like, it will not be that much faster.
Yes, sir.
Right, that's the problem. Okay, so maybe like that is the reason. Maybe they are giving for discounted price 32-bit version. So maybe.
Yes.
Okay, finish writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
All right. Okay. Don't worry. Take your time. All right. So I'll for others, those who have finished writing, so try to download this one. So is there English version for grade 5 scholarship? I think no, right? Sinhala vitarane thiyenne grade 5 scholarship.
Yes, sir.
Sinhala and Tamil.
Sinhala and Tamil. Don't. Then so can you go and download paper, a sample paper? So also wait. I'll give you a link. So that is easy. Grade 5 scholarship past papers. So I think I have to go for a single medium one. Gaudoc. Model papers are there, past papers. Is it Tamil? It's Tamil one, sorry. I have to go for
Sir, you can go to eTaxalava.
eTaxalava, yeah, it's also there, no? eTaxalava. Actually, I have already downloaded. I'm thinking of giving you a good link. That's why I'm searching this one. Gaudocs is also a government site, no? I don't know the quality of the paper that they're offering, but it's not
That's just a scan paper, sir.
It's not bad. It's okay. So I'll send the link so you can just go to that and download. I'll send the direct link. Stop display. Okay, this one. We can try this one.
Sir, can you please lower the window?
Again.
You are still writing, right? Maybe you can take a screenshot and write later, right? Otherwise, like it will take more time. Okay, so I have sent the link. Just go through that. And that is 2000. What is that paper? Is it a sample paper? No, that is,
It is
yeah,
the latest one.
latest one. Okay. කොටුව තුල ඇති චිත්‍රයට වඩාත් සමාන වනසේ ඇඳ ඇති චිත්‍රය කුමක්ද? Okay, that is the question that I want to. Okay, let's digitize this. So we are going to digitize the grade 5 scholarship paper. So which I found it's interesting, and so interesting way to actually motivate students to do papers, because grade 5 students so they don't like to do papers because they are already they don't like, because a lot of workload on them. So basically, they don't like to work with the papers much. In that case, what I found, so if we can motivate them to digitize the paper, actually create the paper, indirectly they are doing the paper. Similar to that, you can also do this as a trick, but think that you don't like science much. So science is like, there are subjects like that. In my school age, actually, I didn't like English. I hate the subject. I didn't like English even. Like grade 6 to grade 11, I was really upset about that. In grade 6, I got the second lowest mark for English in my school, so I didn't like that subject. So after that, and but the thing is that I had a teacher from grade 6 to grade 11, and that teacher was not even talking a single word. Actually, he was not from the native background, so he was only talking in English to explain everything. Not even a single word. But up to grade 5, I learned in single medium school, and it was really difficult to me to catch that. So I got the second lowest mark in the school, which is 28 out of 100. Pathetic. No. So what was the situation? Then I started hating the subject that time. But the thing is, after some time, due to this computing, I had to do studies mostly in English medium. Because all the resources, everything available to us, right? So it's not given the paper, right? Okay, if it is not given the paper, can't you see the paper through the link? It's difficult.
So I pressed the link and it's just the surroundings with ads.
Yeah, in the middle, it's not the paper.
No, sir. I'll try it again, sir.
Okay. Maybe I can give the direct link too, but it's also slow. Okay, what I can do is I can send you the paper in case like, okay, so let's see the downloaded version. It's with me.
No, sir.
So you can't give that link. It is only applicable to you.
Yeah, I think it's a private links generated. That's the reason. So let's download the paper and I'm going to send it to you after that. So it's like, okay. I'll send the downloaded version. That's easy.
Okay.
Otherwise, like you have to go again, visit the same site, same links, and actually access this. This is actually so another paper, but don't worry. So whatever the paper you can take.
Okay.
Okay, you can download from there. I have uploaded in the chat. So
Okay, thank you.
Around 44 MB. Sorry, not 44, 14 MB. You can just download it. Okay. All of you, can you download that particular one that I have sent in the chat? Chat එක බලන්න download කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා? If not, try to take a screenshot from my one.
Sir, can't download, sir.
Why?
Or can be downloaded.
Can be downloaded. It's possible.
After downloading, sir, when I opening that, sir, it's coming a small dialog box, sir.
What is telling?
A sharing violation occurred.
Sir, that
Accessing
sir, that's a problem with
having the
Adobe.
location.
Right.
And the
Then you can
file-
just right click and open. You can right click and open this with Firefox or Google Chrome. Don't open with the Adobe one. So you can just download, right click and open with Firefox or Google Chrome. Or the easiest way, I'll give you the picture of the paper. So then if you are like having that much of issues, then easiest thing is I'll give you a snapshot, which is required for today's work, right? That is like the simplest thing that I can do. Okay. So please download the snapshot. That is enough for the today's lesson. That
Okay, sir, I got it.
Okay, that is viewable, right? Okay, then first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to access Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you don't have Microsoft PowerPoint, alternative, you can go to the Google Slides, right? Slides.google.com. And then I'm going to take a new one, file, new presentation. Okay, then I'll get a blank presentation. So I'm going to apply a design. I'll go to the design tab and apply a design. You can apply any design that you like. I'll apply this one. Okay. So you can apply any design that you like. And I'm going to delete this. Click to add title. Just click on the border and delete it. Click on the border and delete it. And after that, I'll go to insert menu, a text box, and I'm going to write the first question as, actually, no need to write the same thing. Something similar to that. So what is the first question? අංක 1 2 ප්‍රශ්න වලට කොටුව තුල ඇති කාණ්ඩයට ඇතුළත් කිරීමට වඩාත් ගැළපෙන රූපය තෝරන්න. දැන් මම කියලා දුන්න සිංහල keyboard එක. I taught you the Sinhala keyboard last day. Right? You can type, but don't worry, I'll help if you cannot type. Don't think much about that. Okay, let's try the question. මම මේක ලියන කොටුව තුල ඇති කාණ්ඩයට ඇතුළත් කිරීමට ගැළපෙන රූපය තෝරන්න කියලා. Okay, I'm going to write that using phonetics. Kotuwa. Okay. Kotuwa tula ඇති කාණ්ඩයට වඩාත් ගැළපෙන රූපය කුමක්ද? Okay, here's the text. If you're unable to type, you can use the text in the chat. Chat එකේ තියෙන text එක ගත්තට කමන්න. I'm going to increase the font size now. Going to increase the font size now, and after that I can easily take snapshots using insert, but you have to open this one, right? First of all, you have to open this. After opening this, please go to insert and screenshot. Here, can you see screenshot? Then click on screenshot, then screen clip in, and just clip this screenshot. Oh, not this, sorry. Just clip the screenshot of the this image, right? You have to clip this one. Just take a screenshot of this one. If not, you can use snipping tool to take a screenshot. Snipping tool එකනොත් පුළුවන්. දන්නේ නැත්නම් අහන්න. Microsoft PowerPoint වලින් කෙලින්ම පුළුවන්. Snipping වලින්ත් පුළුවන්.
Can we use snip and sketch?
Yeah, snip and that is also. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Only the question, right? This part. Then go to PowerPoint and insert it. Insert picture from file and insert this. මෙතන තියෙන screenshot එකෙන් ගත්තත් කමක් නැහැ. නැත්නම් වෙනම screenshot එකක් අරගෙන හරි මේක insert කරන්න. Only the question, right? Only the question, this part. Answers you have to take as separate screenshots. That means this answer 1, වෙනම ගන්න, then answer 2, then answer 3, you have to take as 3 separate screenshots and insert to the slides. Don't take as 1, take as 3 screenshots. Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3. Answer number 1, answer number 2, answer number 3. Okay, answer number 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to organize that as in this way. Answer number 1, then answer number 2, Let's make it same size. Then answer number 3. Okay, what is the answer for this question?
The third one.
So the third one.
Okay, I'll put 2 more slides, right? I'll add 2 more slides. I can either click new slide here and another new slide. And the first slide I'm telling, okay, I have to tell it in Sinhala now. Over Varadi Navata
Excuse me,
Utsaha.
sir. Can you move to the first slide, please?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Then the second slide said Obba Varadi Navata Utsaha Karan. And the third slide I'm going to change Obba Nivaradi. Apen Subapatu. Okay, that is the next one. Okay, I'm going to send the text to you. In case if you cannot type, please copy and paste the same. And this is again, these are the next 2 slides. And I'm going to add some images to show this interactively. So to do that, I'm going to Google. In Google, so please see how I'm doing. I'll show this again, don't worry. See how I'm doing. I'll Google and search images. This time I'm going to search wrong GIF animated. Okay, then I can find images like this. You can see it's animated, right? Then I can add this image and it will be more interactive. Over Varadi ekata method onna I can add, copy and paste this image. Same time, to this one I can add another image which showing you are correct. Wrong, correct. Maybe congratulations, great, something like that. And that's right. Anything. Any image you think appropriate, you can add it there. Okay, I'll add this one. But search term should be this: correct, animated, GIF animated.